Hello Libra, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to read the cards for you for the month of January 2021. We will see what kind of energies are you attracting from the universe, what exactly is happening in your life. We will try to touch upon all the areas of your life like your finances, career, your love life, emotional life. We will try and cover everything here. So let's quickly get ahead and see what energies are you getting in this month and what is exactly happening with you. So we're checking what's happening with Libra in January 2021 and what are the energies are you getting from the universe to make it a wonderful month for you. So we are quickly flipping cards for Libra for January 2021. We are checking what energies are you getting from the universe and what exactly is happening in your life. Here we are. First week, the second week, the third week of January 2021, and the fourth week here. Along with that, we will also see the energies of the fairies for you. What is the theme of the month for you? Which theme is ruling your month in this month, dear Libra? And we will see what's happening in your life quickly. Right? So let's get ahead. While I'm flipping cards for you, I would like to share my contact numbers with you. So if in case you want to get your personalized readings done with me, you can reach me easily on these numbers. Call me, telegram me, message me on 8448901791. Email me on blossomlifetarot@gmail.com. Visit my website www.blossomlifetarot.com. Let's get ahead. I'm flipping cards now for you, and the first card, which is your fairy card, is a very beautiful card. Second week is also a very nice week. Third week is also a good week. I hope I don't say any of the weeks are like not very great weeks. Okay, alright, so let's get it. The very first card of your January 2021 prediction is manifestation, and the color is yellow. It's a prosperous color, and along with that, the message is also all about prosperity. Um, January is going to be a month wherein your energy levels are going to be quite high. Your connection with the divine energy will be quite great. So you can, whatever you want to manifest in your life, whatever you really want in life. If you remember, I had told you, I mentioned the manifestation process to you a long time back, wherein I had told you that you just have to take a pen and paper and then you start writing your wishes on that in present tense, like my wife loves me very much and we have no problems in our relationship, like I'm doing very well in my studies and I've scored this much in life. So this is what you can do and you should do in life, and this will make your life perfect. So January is going to be an appropriate month wherein you can try do that, and then you will feel very great, very happy, because your wishes are going to turn out in reality of your life and you're going to love that completely, Libra. So very positive month to start with, and to look at it, your wishes are coming true, but make sure you're wishing for the right things. Do not wish for something which makes others life unhappy. That's my suggestion is to you. Moving ahead to the very first week of your life, Libra, and what I look at and what I understand here is that the first week is all about achieving and moving towards the path which you always wanted. Like what energies I see here is that if you wanted to have kids, you wanted to start a family of yours, I would like you to have a look at these cards. So if you wanted to start a family, you had a desire of having a family, and you were working towards that. Maybe your treatment was, you started new treatment with a doctor or something like that. I think you're on the right path, and your results will be quite positive very very soon, Libra. So that's a wonderful energy, good energy. Along with that, I will say that if you were working on a project right now, career wise, you were associated with a company and you were skeptical about the outcomes of your association with the organization, my suggestion to you will be to stick there with the organization for some more time, because your efforts are going to pay off very very soon and you will like that, you will enjoy that very soon. So do not leave the path in the middle, because all your hard work will go in vain. So stay where you are right now, do not look for a change as of now. Invest your energies in your existing project, because that's going to bring happiness in your life, and that's going to bring a lot of success in your life also. Okay. Second is, second week is all about what? It is is all about movement, Libra. If you were stuck in one situation, you will make a move. So movement is coming your way. You're moving ahead. You are progressing. So it is not a movement. It's a progression. So if you were waiting for a progression in your relationship, if you were waiting for progression in your financial area, then I think this is a very beautiful time that you progress financially, also emotionally. So financial and emotional, both the areas are going to fulfill your, whatever needs you have, whatever wishes you have are going to get fulfilled. Along with that, I think that it's going to get you a new chapter of your life. So one chapter is getting closed and you're entering into another chapter of your life. That is very beautiful energy and very nice energy, Libra. So enjoy your time and make most out of it. Financial gains are certainly there on the cards. I'll say that because the third week also talks about new beginnings. And when I say new beginnings, these beginnings are all about starting a new job opportunity, starting a new job, or maybe uh, getting into a new relationship altogether. So if you're a single person and you're seeking relationships right now, Libra, third week is going to get you good results and it is going to get you wonderful outcomes also. So believe in yourself and go ahead accordingly. That's a beautiful sign, very energetic sign, very, very positive sign, and very progressive sign. I will again say continuation card to this is Ace of Wands, and it is certainly talking about new beginnings. So you're leaving past behind, you're moving ahead in life, and you're moving towards positivity in your life. So that's a beautiful energy, isn't it? Right? Okay. Moving towards to the third week again, and there is one more thing I would like to mention there for you is that you are certainly having financial gains in the month of January. There are short benefits which are coming your way, like you would have done some investment. I'm not saying that the investment is going to be like 100% gain, but I will say like 25% or maybe 20% is something where you can certainly expect. But the good part is that you are not having loss, you're not going through loss, you are gaining things, you are gaining good things in life. Relationships look like moving towards a very good direction, Libra. So that's very important. You will feel something, some freshness kind of a thing in your relationships in this one, and that's look like wonderful energy, isn't it? Right. Moving to the fourth week of your the first month of 2021. Emotional gains. I have two aces in your card, and if you understand tarot well, if you've been following tarot for a long time, um, whenever aces come in a reading, they always talk about movements, they always talk about progression, they always talk about new beginnings in life. This resembles new beginning. Now, which all areas can you really expect new beginnings, Libra? That's your financial area and your emotional area. Relationships are going to be like either you are going to get into a new relationship or you are going to get into an existing relationship which needed some revival or which needed some refreshment. So there's refreshment coming in your relationships in January 2021, Libra. You can enjoy that time and you can be happy about that because it's a wonderful time, certainly. And it is giving you a lot of new fresh starts. Reset button is just getting pressed in your life. You can reset your life as per your wishes. Manifestation is again a key in your life in the month of January 2020, so you can follow that also. Manifest your life in the right direction, positive direction in the month of January 2021, because that's what you need the most. What you need to be staying away from, if I've told you what exactly you can be close to, what exactly you can walk on, what kind of a path you want to walk on. There's one more energy I read from your cards is that few of you are getting away from an emotional energy, like maybe you will choose between your career and your emotions, like you will choose between to be with a person or no, or to go for a higher authority kind of a job. So that's also happening here, Libra. Please make your choice as well, because it is going to be a long term association with that one particular choice what you're going to make. All right. Illusions are something you need to be getting away from. When you look at this card always talks about what Seven of Cups talks about: illusions, self-made illusions. And you don't, in this situation, you don't focus on the existing reality of the life, but you focus on the virtual part of your, the picture your mind shows you always. So that's something you will have to your focus is on. So you have to just get out of that situation. I would like to pull one more card for you, which is your two more cards rather. One is your relationship card, wherein I am taking a message from the relationship deck as to what exactly should be a key message for you when it comes to managing your relationships in this month. Or the cards might suggest you to value yourself only, a relationship you maintain with you. So relationship with others, external parties, and relationship with you yourself is something what we are going to get out of these cards, and we are checking it for Libra for January 2021, and here we are. Love is never in vain. So if you have invested in relationships, if you have invested in a person whom you loved so much and you think it was useless, then I think the time has come that you will realize that people whom you have showered with love will certainly come back to you if you know they belong to you. So you can be assured that the love you have given to people is going to come back to you in a positive manner, and that's it. Let's ask your angels also, Libra, as to what is the advice they want to give you in the month of January 2020, and what do they really want you to do in this month. So quickly see uh, what is happening. Your angel cards are flipping a lot today, like slipping out of my hands. I don't know why. But then it's okay. We will just request them that please do give a good and beautiful message for Libra. Please do give a message for Libra, a beautiful message for Libra. Shield yourself, Libra. Looks like there will be people around you who will be negative people who would want to impact and disturb your peace of mind. My advice to you will be that please protect yourself from such energies, toxic people. Cover yourself in a shield. Cover yourself with beautiful and positive energies and auras, and protect yourself. So, shielding yourself from negative and toxic energies is something which is the message of your angels to you. So please take care of yourself that way, and please protect yourself. Good luck. Wish you a very very happy new year. Have a blast and enjoy your life. Have a beautiful year ahead, and have a positive year ahead which takes away all your miseries or your pains in this year and makes your life beautiful. Take care. Bye bye.